Hi everyone, welcome to an exciting demo on democratizing AI with innovative edge solutions. Today, I'll take you through how we are overcoming challenges like poor connectivity, expensive compute resources, and strict data privacy requirements, especially in areas with limited infrastructure. So let's start with the main problem. Deploying AI in many regions is tough. We're talking about places with shaky internet connections, high costs for powerful computing resources, and strict rules on where data can be processed. All of this means that we need to handle data locally, right where it's generated. By doing this, we can ensure quick response times and tackle real-world issues effectively. So here's where our solution comes in. ThirdAI and AWS have teamed up to create something really amazing. Using AWS's Wavelength's 5G capabilities, we have enabled a way to keep the data local, ensure full privacy, and deliver fast, reliable AI services, even in remote areas. This partnership opens up AI for everyone. Now let's delve into a demo to see how this works in the real world. We'll look at a scenario in retail or financial services, specifically focusing on payment transactions. Here's how it works. So the first step is the transaction input. Now imagine you're making a purchase through your phone or on an e-commerce site. Your transaction, along with any of the logs and metadata, like voice or chat data, gets sent over a 5G network to an AWS Wavelength instance. At this stage, our AI models kick in. They can extract all the necessary information. We use techniques like PI redaction to protect sensitive details. Next, the system then identifies key transaction details, gauges customer sentiment, and spots things like credit card numbers and merchant names. It then checks if the transaction is legitimate or fraudulent. If there is any suspicion of fraud, the system immediately sends back a denial back to the device or point of sale, all in a matter of milliseconds. Now let's look at this all in live in action on our India dashboard, using some example bank transactions. So we have a live dashboard here. This could be for a bank or a payments company. As you can see, there's a few things running over here. You can see that this is running on a low-powered CPU compute. So you're seeing the dashboard that shows the CPU and memory usage in real time. All of this running on a low-powered AWS Wavelength instance. And actually, this instance only cost us about $135 to run. Super cheap for an entire month. You can see that transactions are coming through live and they're being processed real time. And as they're being processed, some of these are fraudulent, some of these are canceled. They're going through. Let's take a real example. So we're going to pick an input. Let's say someone is sending out a transaction with this information. And you see, as they type, the system detects their names, credit card numbers, emails, and redacts stuff as required. In this case, it spots a mismatch on the email. The email doesn't match what they have in the file, and therefore the transaction is denied instantly. Our system can handle thousands of transactions every second. In fact, we can support up to 1 million queries per hour on a single low-cost CPU instance on Wavelength. That's just $135 a month for the entire system. And just to compare the costs, traditional methods using like other existing models that require expensive GPUs or a lot of CPU compute, our solution can be almost 45 times to 50 times cheaper, and it's perfect for regions with low compute resources. So, in conclusion, we've shown you a highly sophisticated AI solution that can bring cutting-edge, AI to low-powered CPUs on cutting-edge AI to any environment. And this means that we can truly democratize machine learning AI up to 56 less expensive than traditional alternatives. Thank you for tuning in. We are really excited about the potential of this solution and can't wait to see how it will bring AI to the edge, making it accessible to all. Stay tuned.